by taking precautions. Are you understanding my point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you want to say something?
Yes.
I think he has a lot of points. Get ready to be debunked.
Yeah.
As well, I mentioned that before like going on a stage or of cancer, we will stop doing those things who are taking which are taking us on a cancer.
Right.
So we should stop them and we should take healthy things. So for buying that healthy things, we needs money,
Okay.
Wow, very
and
well.
in a indirect manner, we
Right.
are buying our health.
Yes. So he's saying that taking medicine, doing surgery, medication, radiation, X-ray, doctors, diet, even hiring a specialist, maybe a dietitian, registered dietitian, health sectors. We need money directly or indirectly. So in that way, man, we have to have money, whatever we want to buy. So in that, it proves me that it's suggested. I suggest me. I'm not sure. Based on your talk, it seems that money can buy health.
Yes.
Indirect way, direct way, right?
Yeah, I agreed in the beginning.
Okay.
Money
End of
can buy
discussion.
health, but 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 it can be cured by yourself as well, by
It
taking
can.
precautions and
Right,
all.
right. I think he doesn't have any point. I think yes.
And if the person is taking precautions and all, and is saving his life, so by the time he can make money. If there is health, then there will be money, right?
If there is health, then there will be money. But to cure that health, we need money.
Yeah. So after making money, you can cure yourself.
Right.